Space is silent. That's what they told us. No air, no medium, no sound. For decades, scientists believed the universe was the quietest place in existence. Then in 2003, NASA pointed their most powerful telescope at a black hole 250 million light-years away. And they heard something that should not exist. A sound coming from the heart of a black hole. And when scientists converted it to a frequency humans could hear, nobody in the room said a word. The sound came from the Perseus cluster, a massive collection of galaxies, 250 million light-years from Earth. At its center sits a supermassive black hole, one of the largest ever discovered. For years, astronomers had noticed something strange around it. Ripples in the hot gas surrounding the black hole. Not random turbulence, not explosions, rhythmic, repeating, like waves. In 2003, NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory captured these ripples in extraordinary detail. And scientists realized something incredible. These ripples weren't just movement. They were pressure waves, sound waves. The black hole was singing. But here's the problem. The sound was at a frequency so low, so impossibly deep, that no human ear could ever detect it naturally. The lowest note a human can hear is around 20 hertz. The sound from Perseus was 57 octaves below middle C. 57 octaves. To put that in perspective, if you took a piano and extended it 57 octaves downward, the Perseus sound would be the very last key. A note so deep it vibrates once every 10 million years. One single vibration, every 10 million years. But NASA didn't stop there. They took this impossibly low frequency and shifted it upward, into a range humans could actually hear. They essentially sped up 10 million years of sound into a few seconds, and what came out of the speakers, changed how we understand the universe. The sound was described as an eerie, droning hum. Low, constant, otherworldly, like something enormous breathing in the dark. But this discovery opened up an entirely new field of science. Astronomers realized, if one black hole could produce sound waves, others could too. In the years that followed, scientists detected sound waves from dozens of other black holes and galaxy clusters, each one producing its own unique frequency, its own unique note. The universe, which we thought was completely silent, was actually full of sound, an orchestra playing at frequencies too low for us to ever naturally hear. Then, in 2022, NASA went further. They took the Perseus sound and reprocessed it with new technology, enhanced it, layered it, made it richer. The result was something that sounded less like science and more like a horror movie. A deep, resonant moan echoing across 250 million light-years of space. One scientist described it as the most alone sound I have ever heard. We spent decades believing space was silent, that the universe had no voice, but it was never silent. We just couldn't hear it. Right now, black holes across the universe are humming, singing, moaning, at frequencies that make the fabric of space itself vibrate, and we are only just beginning to listen. What else is the universe trying to tell us that we haven't learned to hear yet? Subscribe, because the universe has a voice, and it has a lot more to say.